Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So here you have to just open your Sweatcoin mobile application here, and basically Sweatcoin just count your steps, and depending upon your steps, the number of your steps, it gives you coins, right? So you can just convert that coin into real money and you can just buy real products. So right now here you can see this is 0 steps, but let's say if here was around 1000 or 2000 steps, then how I can just convert it into money. So for that, you can see in the bottom, you will able to see that 4 option, right? This is your profile icon here, and this is the basically shop, right? So here you can see that, for example, I have around 10 to 20 sweat coins, and if I just want, I can buy this Audible subscription. Right here you can see 2-month free Audible premium subscription membership. So here if I just click on swipe to buy for 3 Sweatcoin coins, right? So this is how you can just purchase any of the product which is listed on Sweatcoin mobile application. Here you can see there is a lot of products which you can buy using your Sweatcoin mobile Sweatcoin coins, right? So here if you just want to convert your money, basically that is not possible. You can just only use your Sweatcoins to buy the products which is listed over Sweatcoin mobile application, as you can see over your screen. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.